Okay, so to add a YouTube video, it's a little bit different than what I originally thought, so I figured we'd do a quick little video. So when you're on a page, you click YouTube, it's going to ask you for the URL, the width and the height. So it doesn't want this code, even though this looks like a URL, it wants this one that actually has the watch. And don't worry about the HTTP because it should automatically bring that in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do Control-C to copy this. You can right click and choose copy. And then also if you go to share and then embed, this is the only place I found where you can kind of see what aspect ratio you can choose from. So I can choose 480 by 360. I'm not going to choose any higher than that because as you can see, the quality of this video doesn't go any higher. So 480 by 360. So let's go ahead and paste that URL, and 480 by 360. And sometimes with height, you might want to play around with giving it 10 more pixels to accommodate the little play bar that happens at the bottom. But for right now, we'll do exactly what the original settings were. So we'll click insert and update that page. And then we'll make sure to refresh it. Oops, and you can see I was trying all kinds of different versions. So let's go ahead and see if that works. And you have to be careful that you actually do put the width and the height in there, because if you don't put the width and the height, then it kind of cuts things off. So now I should be able to come here and see how it kind of gets cut off a little bit. So let's change that. Let's go to text and let's try to see if we can do like 75 and see what happens. So either way we know it works. So if 375 doesn't work, then it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and refresh this. And let's see if it gets a little bit longer. Yep, now it's a little bit longer and it has a lot more room to play that bar right there. Okay, so that's how to add a YouTube video.